cars have tuned exhausts, so the noise they make is as fake as a hooker's smile. But this sounds real, this sounds fantastic.
You listen to it on the overrun.
So, it looks gorgeous and it sounds amazing. And on top of that, it's an Alfa Romeo.
And if I can liken the whole global car industry to the human body, Toyota is the brain, Aston Martin is the face, Cadillac is the stomach.
An Alfa Romeo, as we discovered last week, that's the heart and soul. So what is it then, this £110,000 car? Well, at the front, there's a 450 horsepower, 4.7-litre version of Maserati's V8. The gearbox, in true Alfa tradition, is at the back. The Ferrari seats are carbon fibre. Most of the car, in fact, is carbon fibre, so it weighs less than a Mitsubishi Evo. You might imagine then that it's very fast. They say it'll get from 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, and that its top speed is 182.
I think they could have made it faster than that. But then it would have been faster than a Ferrari, and in Italy that's a bit of a social no-no. That'd be like vomiting on the Pope.